Welcome back. Well, it was a beauty out there today. Lots of sun, temperatures topping out in the mid-60s. It's been awfully dry, though, continuing from the summer. So far this month, just an inch and 2/3 of rain so far. And we're more than 21.5 inches below where we should be for this time of year. We should be pushing 58 inches of rain. And so far to date, 36, but a couple of inches of rain on the way. So let's get to it. And let's take a look at our rain coverage and timing here and put that timeline in motion. I really like this graphic because it shows you when your rain chances will perk up. They could perk up as early as tomorrow evening in Jennings with patchy light rain, but then look what happens as we head into Thursday. You see those rain chances going into the numerous category or widespread category as we get into the latter part of Thursday night, and we're in for a couple of inches of rain at the very least. Some much needed rain on the way. Big picture, we have this big upper level trough that's been feeding in cold air across the northeast and as far south as the Gulf South. But here comes the next weather maker out here in the Pacific. This is going to be producing heavy rains in the Pac Northwest of the western U.S. and it's going to bring with it a refreshed subtropical jet stream. We have two of them going on right now. A tropical connection that's bringing showers all the way over to Florida, and then as this one comes in, it's going to start to tap some of that moisture in the Gulf of Mexico and probably give us a pretty good coverage of at least an inch or two of rain on Thursday, and then more as we head into Friday into the weekend. Across the U.S., it's relatively quiet right now. Some winter weather advisories starting to pop up in the higher elevations in the Pacific Northwest. Lake effect snows, lake effect snow squall warnings continue, where the snows have piled up better than 2 feet in spots. Not as concentrated today, but nonetheless, it's big time winter in the Northeast and the Great Lakes in the snow belt. Meanwhile, we're being dominated by a ridge of high pressure that allowed for lighter winds today and just severe clear skies. All is quiet on the Doppler radars, but by this time tomorrow, we'll be picking up on precip back across Texas. Also, as we head into Thursday, there's going to be some thunderstorms in the mix, and there will be a very low-end threat of severe weather even into Acadiana. Just a marginal risk. That's a level 1 out of 5% chance of severe weather within a 25-mile radius anywhere in the green. You get back to southwest Louisiana, southeast Texas, there's a slight risk, nearly triple the risk of a few severe storms that could produce damaging winds, isolated tornadoes. So we'll be watching that. But as this next system moves through, as it moves through southern Louisiana Thursday night, the dynamics for severe weather will be weakening. So that is the good news. Tonight, though, a chilly night. There's going to be some frost in spots. We'll get to that in just a bit. Tomorrow, a mild day, high clouds beginning to increase across the area. Not as cool tomorrow night. It'll be cool, but in the 50s. And then as we head into Thursday, windy and milder, and here comes on and off showers and some embedded thunderstorms. We could see wind gusts approaching the 30-mile-per-hour range as we get into Thursday afternoon and evening, with more wet weather, on and off wet weather likely through Friday morning. We have a frontal boundary that's going to try to work its way through, but it's going to become nearly stationary, and that's going to be the impetus for additional rain chances as we move forward into the weekend. Here's the Euro's tilt on it, giving us our highest rain chances. This is stopping it at Thursday night, Friday morning, right at midnight, and then another batch of rain probably pushing on through. It looks like Friday night, that's the best timing, but it could rain at any point through this weekend. By Sunday, it looks to dry out, but we don't see any sun until maybe Tuesday, if not Wednesday of next week. Rainfall-wise, it's going to be a soaking for some. We're going to say 1 to 2 with the rains as we head into Thursday. The additional rainfall could be 2 to 3, so overall, we're going to say about 1 to 3 inches of rain on the way. GFS model pretty much in the same territory. Anything in purple is pushing 2 inches of rain, and then the red, you're getting into 3. So that'll be our call. So a good soaking and a much needed one at that. Tonight, though, temperatures in the frost zone, northern portions of Acadiana from Opelousas, Ville Platte on northward. Protect your plants there. Close to the frost zone, I-10 corridor could happen, so keep that in mind. And mid to upper 30s across the coastal parishes. And then tomorrow, we do expect another warm up, mid to upper 60s. And then tomorrow night, we hold in the 50s as mentioned, maybe upper 40s briefly, and then Thursday pushing 70 degrees, but there's more warmth. We'll be in the mid to upper 70s as we head into Friday. 38 the overnight low tonight in Lafayette. That's what we'll go with. Some high clouds coming in late tonight. You'll see them streaming in from the west and nearly a full moon out there. Then for tomorrow, warming up to 67 to 68 for the high. The last nice day for a while. Mostly sunny to start, and then in the afternoon hours, we'll start to see the high clouds clouds coming in, and here they come. This a little bit later than we think they may happen. It may happen more in the afternoon. Look out for the morning frost, northern parishes. Windy and turning wet on Thursday. Highest rain chances Thursday afternoon, Thursday night, early Friday, then maybe again Friday night, early Saturday, and then rain chances toning down, we hope, into early next week with drier air to follow and cooler weather to come back in. But look at this. Temperatures near 80 on Friday. After tonight, we'll be in the mid-30s for the most part. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up right after the break.